Hello friends, welcome to Coding Shiksha. So in this tutorial I will be telling you the top extensions for React in Visual Studio Code. So the first extension that I will be talking about is the React Native React Redux snippets. So if you write it, open your Visual Studio, go to extensions here and type this, that is React. If you type React here, so this is the, you can see that this is the plugin. You can see that React Native React Redux snippets for ES6. So you just have to install this. So basically install this. So you can see that the extension is enabled globally. So now you can just go to your app.js. You can see that this is a simple component. This is my React app. So now if you want to create a new component inside your components folder, you can see that I'm creating my new component, that is person.js, and there are various commands. If you want to import React, you can just type imrc and tab. So you can see that it is successfully imported the React. We don't have to write it manually. And also if you want to create a class component, so just write cc tab. So you can see that you can just name your component person. That's it. So if you wanted the constructor also along with the, that is along with the class component, so you will write here CCC, so tab. So you will see that the constructor is also available. So here you can just set your state and also your props variable. So I will just name it as person, and let me have a state variable of message. Let's suppose we have hello world, and I will just return here a div tag with I will just print out this dot state dot message. That's it. So now we need to include it in our app.js component. So one way to do this is to import it manually, that is import person from, and this is dot components. You have to manually write it in order to import it, but there is an extension called as auto import. So just write here auto import, in this will automatically imports your component. So I have already installed this extension. So this is a second extension that you must have when you develop React application in VS Code. So install it and then go to your app.js, and here you just want to type here. So this is, let me have a div tag. Inside it, first of all I will write the hello world, and after that I will be including my person. So basically this is person, so I will write here person. So you can see that auto import from components person. So if I click enter, you will see that one line has been successfully automatically being entered. We don't have to write it. So here we will be just be populating this. Now if I refresh the application, you can see that this second hello world is coming from the person component that we have defined here. You can see that this dot state hello world. If I change this message to, this is person component, you can see that this is person component. So in this way you can just pass any kind of message, and you can automatically import your components in app.js with this extension. Now we can just pass any kind of props here. Let's suppose I want to pass a prop. Let's suppose message is equal to, and I have a variable, let's suppose message is equal to, this is props. So I'm just passing here. So this is a way to pass props in your application. So I will just write here this dot state dot message. So now we, in order to receive this props, we just have to write here, we just want to delete this state variable, and inside this we will write here this dot props dot message, whichever name that we have given here, that you can see that message. Now if I refresh the application, You can see that, guys, this is props is also printing out because of this. Now if I just delete this, you will see that this is props. So we are just sending data to our component, that is person.js. So some other snippets are also available, that is you can just set your state by using this shortcut, that is ss tab. So this will set the state of your component. So this is another cool method. So you can just read the documentation on this plugin page. So you can see that it will be, these are the commands. So this will be, these are the shortcuts that you can use. So thanks very much, guys, for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button.